Hi everybody, I'm PRASAD. Sorry for delay of this video. Actually, I have waited for the caller mic. I have ordered in online, but it's not compatible for my mobile phones. Anyways, everybody asking me about Java lab, right? So I started this Java lab recording. For this, since 3 days, I have been working a lot for this project, for gathering the record video and webcam video and all. See how I'll put my webcam aside. See how my wallpaper made Java lab recording. Right, this cursor icon pointer also colorful so that it can be identified to you easily. So doing a Java lab practical, you need JDK software. So in college days, you will go to lab programmer or you will consult lab faculty for the JDK software. You will bring pen drive, they will copy paste it. Here I am teaching how to download it, where to download, how to install, and how to set the class path. The setting class path is very important. If you know it also, you will forget it, right? So before that, I will tell you some basic things, right? JDK versions. What are the JDK version? Okay, see here JDK beta version 1994 year it was released. 1996 JDK 1.197. You can see all this by passing this video, right? 2014 JDK 8 latest version is released. Previously Java was developed by Sun Microsystem, but now it is developing by Oracle company, Oracle Corporation. I will maximize it so you'll see this clearly. I will remove my webcam so that you will see everything clearly. See Java, TM means trademark. See, a hand icon is there, designed by James Gosling, developer Sun Microsystem previously, now it is Oracle Corporation. First appeared 23rd 1995, 22 years ago. File name .java, .class, .jr. I will explain you all those things detailedly. Website Java Oracle, I will explain you, right? Well, so James Gosling is the father of Java. So Java, I hope it was developed at a coffee shop so that they kept the icon as a coffee cup. TM means trademark. Now it is Oracle Corporation. Now it is taken care by, developed by Oracle company, right? Before that, in your system, if JDK is installed or not, check it out by clicking on start window icon, and in search bar type command, shortcut is CMD. In that type Java. So Java is not recognized as an internal external command. It means that Java is not installed, and class path is also not set. For closing the window, exit is the command, right? For JDK installation, for JDK download and installation, everything I made it clear pictures, right? JDK 8 free download, type in Google search engine, you will get the download software website, then install. Well, I will minimize this. I will tell everything very clearly. Now open the browser, Google Chrome browser. Here type JDK, sorry, JDK 8. See, I already typed. Install and uninstall I did many times, right? This is the website. See, Oracle is it's a Oracle website, official website. It is downloading, right? I made everything very clearly. My previous video, part 2 video, this is part 1 video. At the end I explained about the program, initially explained about the theory part, These two execution I am going to done now, right? This is index video, this is my interview video. Well, so not wasting time, here I need to explain some of the things. In every software, first we have to accept the license, right? So click on here, accept the license agreement, accepted. Then check your laptop is installed with, your computer is installed with the Linux operating system or not. Then you have to go for these downloads, JDK, these downloads. If your machine is installed Mac, Macintosh, Apple product, Apple company operating system Mac. If your laptop is installed Mac, you have to go with this download. Solaris, you have to go for this. Generally 95% will having Windows operating system, then we have to go with this. Here we have two, 86 means 32-bit operating system and 32-bit computers. Generally we have 16-bit registers, that is about hardware, and software also 64-bit. In upcoming days we will getting 128-bit operating systems and 128-bit computers. So for this, check here, click on start computer, right click, properties. Now check it out, Windows 7 home. So basic, it's a Windows 7 operating system. My system is Windows 7 and system type is 64-bit, right? Close it, not getting confused. So Windows 64, this JDK I need to download, right? Yeah, it is downloading. For this it takes 1 minute 20 seconds. Meanwhile I will explain you some basic things. JDK, here I made it into pics. See, JDK versions I have explained. Now we are downloading this one, JDK install and ClassPath. JDK full form is Java Development Kit. Just like a cricket, it has everything in it. What is everything? See, all keywords, inbuilt keywords, system defined reserved words. I will explain this, don't worry. These keywords, not only this, these are the terms, technical terms in keywords, data types, packages, access specifiers, access modifiers, exception handling, keywords, classes, interfaces, constructors, methods, constants, variable, object. These are the terms. Everything will be inbuilt in JDK, right? So apart from that, JDK is development kit used to develop software development environment, where to develop software things. Here it will be developed Java applications and applets. Applet is a Java program which is executed in the browser, right? I will explain you my upcoming videos. Applets is very important, right? For developing a calculator program, it will be used a lot. JDK includes JRE, Java Runtime Environment, Interpreter, Loader, JAR, Compiler, JAVAC, JAR, Java Archiver, Java Document, JDoc, and other tools and etc. will be included. So we have to download JDK. JDK is a software development environment, a place where you can develop Java softwares, Java applications. Integrated development environment, IDE. IDE is one more environment where you can type Java programs, right? The basic example is Notepad, Command Prompt, Edit Plus, Eclipse, My Eclipse, J Creator Pro, J Professional, Java Professional, Power Builder, Sun1 Studio, NetBeans. NetBeans will be installed automatically when you install JDK software, right? Notepad and Command Prompt are basic. No, we'll do in Notepad. In upcoming videos I will install Edit Plus. It will be colorful editor IDE. It's a colorful IDE editor, right? Eclipse and My Eclipse will be doing in my last videos. I will be doing this also. These are useful in the real-time experience. When you do in the companies, this will be used. Very user friendly. Everything will be come directly. Words, inbuilt classes will be come directly in this, etc. There are so many other IDs also there. You can search in the Google search engine. So this is completed, right? I have to see that download is finished, right? It will be there. You can click here also, and you can check in the download folder also, right? I will check in the download folder. Yes, it is there. You can see the details of it. JDK 8U131 is the version. See, build, that is called build software. When they are developed version by version, it will be changing. See now, description, file description, Java platform, standard edition binary, company Oracle Corporation, file version, file or build 8.0.131011. So well, the installation is very easy. Click next, 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 and it will be installed. Don't change any settings. So now I'm clicking. Very good. So it will take 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Meanwhile, I will explain some other things. Very simple. Installation will be very simple. Next, next, next. The ClassPath will be there. So I will explain this later. Very important. Meanwhile, explain you some other basic things. Right here in Java family, we have J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE stands for Java. See the cursor here, line. Now the line icon is there. Java 2 standard edition. Standard means basics, fundamentals. Basic edition is there here. Okay, selected area. Right. 1 point Java is used for desktop application. Desktop means standalone applications. For this J2SE will be used. Windows, standalone Windows. Then comes to J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Enterprise means business, corporation, a company. For any other company, if you want to develop applications through Java, J2SE will be used. Little bit advanced than J2SE. This is used for server side applications, client and server side applications, means internet applications will be used. J2ME stands for Java 2 Micro Edition. Micro means very small part, used for cell phone applications and cell phone gaming. The J2ME will be used. In my upcoming videos, I will be covering J2SE and J2EE. J2ME part will be updated later onwards. Java is a free open source. That's why we have downloaded, right? Java is a free open source. And one more thing here, Java is a platform independent. Everybody say this is interview question. Why Java is a platform independent? Here platform means software and hardware. Java, JDK, Java programs can be work in any software, any operating system like Unix, Linux, Sun Solaris, Macintosh operating system or Windows operating system. It can run on any software and any hardware configuration. The Java program can be executed. So it is platform independent. So not dependent on anything. It can be independent. In my guess, J2SE, J2E, J2ME. In my upcoming days, J2NE will be developed. The PhD persons will be developed nanotechnology. Java 2 Nano Edition will be developed, I guess, in future. In outside market, core Java and advanced Java will be taught, but that is not true. J2SE only the real family of the Java. J2SE, J2E, J2ME are the family of Java. Right, command prompt shortcut is CMD. For execution the command window, exit is the command for closing it. API full form is application program interface. If you want to know complete about Java, right, I will explain this. We'll see how much installation part is. We have to click next, that's it, and next. Right, it will be taking place. We have to type. If you want to know what are the inbuilt classes, methods, constructors and all, you have to type this in the Google, Java 1.5 API. You can learn more than anything, right? In the Google search engine, Java, it is there, 1.5 API. API means application program interface. Click the first website. These are all inbuilt classes, libraries, packages, classes, everything will be there. I will explain this detail. There is so much explanation is there here, right? So this part is over. I import this, I will explain you later in the program. Very simple. Every program will type this one first. Import java.lang.star. Import means it's a keyword. In C we'll type include, whereas in Java we'll type import. Import means all files will be imported. In C language, everything will be included. In Turkey compiler, everything, keywords, everything will be included. Here imported, everything will be downloaded. Library, packages. Java is a library. Lang is a package. Lang IO package. I will tell you in my coming up slides. Star means all classes in classes we have methods and constructors, right? Well, this part is using this is installing very sharp cursor, very important interview as well as in Java. Java cuts J stands for JRM environment. JRS. These two will be installed. JRS Java Runtime System. DH default exception handler. This will be there in the JDK. Java Runtime Machine. IDE Integrated Development Environment. I told you Java Virtual Machine. This will be used to give the output execution source code to execution code. Java compiler will be changing the class file means source code to bytecode, and this JVM will be changing the bytecode to executable code, and it will give the output execution. Println. LN stands for new line. Lang is a package. Lang means language. Long is a data type. Long short will little bit confuse here. LONG and LANG, O and A. In upcoming days I will be posting interview questions, right? Question and answers. What is the difference between class, interface, lang, long, final, finally? There are so many interview questions are there, very important video, that one. Input output, this is a package. AWT abstract window toolkit, this is a package. SQL structure query language, this is the package. jar. Java archiver, this is there in the JDK. You can pause my video and note down all the points. JDoc, Java document, it is also there in the JDK. Java professional, this is IDE. Clear screen command is CLS, right? Okay, very good. Now we can close this. Now we can see installation part is running, right? We can see the keywords. What are the inbuilt keywords? Java having 50 keywords according to complete different Java textbook. In 68 page it is given, but Java is a language, it's a version, it will be updating. Some other keywords also updated, 2 or 3. So up to now we have this 50 keywords. Predefined or system defined, reserved, library, inbuilt words, these are synonyms. Predefined means already defined in the JDK compiler. System defined, already defined the system. Reserved words already reserved in the compiler. Library words, inbuilt words, or are Java keywords, right? Well, see, I have made it into colors so easily identify. This light blue color are 8 access modifiers: static, final, abstract, native, synchronized, volatile, transient, and strict FP. Strict FP, these are access modifiers. This thick blue or violet color are boolean, byte, char, these are data types. 9 data types are there: byte, int, short, long, these are int family. Float, double, these are float, char, boolean, etc. And other data types will also be there. And this yellow color, try, catch, throw, finally, these are exceptional handling keywords. My next coming up video, this only exceptional handling keywords, these 5 keywords, and follows by practical also followed with that. And my third video, part 3 video, thread life cycle practical also followed with that. Theory part is over, right? This is part 4 video, practical part, right? So these 50 keywords are included in this. Well, I hope installation part is over, right? Next, JRE is running. See here, one important point. Java 3 billion devices run Java applications, right? A billion ATMs, smart cards, POS. I will show you clearly. See here, I will maximize. ATM, smart card, POS, terminals. Not only that, here you see the cursor, background, light font, computers, printers, routers, cell phones, Blackberries, Kindles, parking meters, public transports, public transportation passes, ATMs, credit cards, homes, security systems, cables, whatnot. In everything inbuilt Java programs. Not only that, in home we will use washing machines, latest washing machines, and fridges, Whirlpool fridges, and other CDs, ACs. Inbuilt motherboard Java code will be there. So Java is so much in flourish, so much demand. So many openings are there. When I'm sending these technical videos to other people, they are saying what is the use of us. So you can send this to your brother, you can send this to your sister, or you can show it to your son and daughter. They are studying engineering, even ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil engineers also applying for the software jobs to earn more money, to settle in their life. So don't waste the knowledge, share the knowledge. Okay, right. So installation part is over. JDK JRE is installed. Now we have to set the class path. Previously when we are typed in Java, it is not recognized as an internal external command. Now we have to set the class path. Right, setting the class path is here, very clearly explained. Right click on computers. This is for Windows 7 operating system. If your machine is XP operating system or other, little bit different will be there, not much different is there. Click on properties, click on advanced system settings, and click on environment variable, click on user, click new. I will show you clearly, don't worry. Variable name, path, and here you have to copy paste. OK 3 times. I'm not closing it, minimizing it. I will show it again to you. Right, so my computer, right click, properties, well here in left side advanced system settings, and down this is the push button. Here these buttons also developed with Java only. Environment variable, and here you have to, in user variable, you have to click on new button. Here you have to type path, and what you have to copy paste is you have to go to where the JDK is installed. You can type that also, but thing is it will be installed in C language. You can type, if you type spelling mistakes or you can type any wrong things, Java is here. See, these two are installed. I told you, JDK and JRE, Java Development Kit. This is the version. Java Runtime Environment. We are developing the programs, we are executing it so that our application is generated. So we are at JDK, and bin, this is a box where we have to type the program, save the program. So we have to copy paste this address bar. See the cursor, double click and copy paste. You can type this also, but thing is C capital letter, colon. If you type semicolon, this is forward slash, program P capital letter, and program file space is there, F capital, S is there. If you type anything wrong, it will not be set the class path. You cannot do any programs at all. So copy it and paste it at variable values. Very good. Now semicolon, so that you can set other class path also. Click OK and click OK and click OK 3 times. It is over. So class path is set. Right, I will show you the class path. I will maximize it. See, I will made everything. I will pause it. See, right click on computers, click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variable. In user variable, click on new button. In variable path, variable name, type path. In variable value, copy paste this one from the my computer, opening that one, right, and click on OK. Again click on OK. Once again click on OK. Class path is set. See, pause this video and note on this clearly. Very simple and easy. Now I am closing this. Right, now whether it is installed or not, check by clicking the window icon, start icon, and in search bar type command. Shortcut is CMD. I told you. Now type Java. Previously Java was not recognized as an internal or external command. Now see, all files will be booted, checked. Now type Java compiler, means class path also set. If you want to check the version, Java space, this is the command version. So this is Java version is 1.8 is installed, right? For clearing the command prompt, CLS is the command, so we have cleared it. Now we are going to type the programs. For that, open the D folder. See, why I am typing D, Generally command prompt is at C user HP Hewlett Packard. So my laptop is Hewlett Packard, so it is there in C, but we have to I am typing in D, because if your system is affected with the virus, all data will be gone, right? See, already some virus is there. If your system is hanged, anything happen, you will format it. If you format it, C drive data will be lost. So if you type in D drive, it will be very easy. In D drive, create one folder called JP, Java programs. So all programs will be in JP folder. So in future you can have the project, right? JP. Now here the basic ID is Notepad. I told you, no, the basic ID is Notepad. Here in Notepad we will type the first basic program. Here in my part 1 video I will show you. See here, Java basics video part 1 by PRASAD. This is a very basic program. The part 1 video. I have explained theory clearly, all the keywords, reservoirs, everything I have explained. You listen that again with earphones and pause it and write it notes. Write this video also, and this program I am going to explain now. First basic program. Right here comment. First type the comment. Write a basic Java program. I told you to learn typing also, right? Import Java, import java.lang.star all classes in interface. I told you this sentence, I will tell it again, don't worry. Write class 1. My keyboard is having some problem, sorry for that. Public static void main string is a inbuilt class. It should be capital. I will tell you that in my next minutes. See, I am keeping the cursor in a sequence order, right? System, S is a capital because system is a system.out.println. Out is a static variable. Welcome to see, I am typing in a sequence order. See here, the cursor is here and ending here. You can type cursor here also, it can be executed. There is a difference between executable code and a good code. If you type there, you have to remove this one, but thing is you have to write good code so it can be understandable. In future you will write more number of lines of code, then the cursor, the curly braces will be the error, flower braces will be the main errors. So this is closing here, this is closing here, this is main block, right? And this is one class block, right? Here we have to save with the name as class name is 1.java, right? So here it is saved. See in the folder, here it is saved 1.java. So I will show you that one. Syntax, see, note down. You have to say syntax for save is class name dot java. Class name or program name, wait, I will pause it. Class name or program name or file name are same dot java, and for compilation java space file name dot java, and for execution or run java space file name. Okay, note down this, pause the video and note down this, very important. Setting the class path and syntax for this you will be forgetting, right? Now I will do my command prompt. Here one more thing you have to observe is we are to see the cursor upside computer and data D drive JP folder. In JP folder we have Java file and a text file. We have so many files: PDF file, text file, VLS file, right, Excel sheet file and all. So we are at D drive. So we have to change it into D drive. C drive to D drive. The command is D colon. So it will be changed to D drive. Now the command for changing into JP folder. Change directory. CD means change directory to JP folder. So it is changed. Now we are at D drive JP folder. Now we are at D drive JP folder. So we can compile the program because we have set the class path. We set the class path to the for the program to reach the compiler to compile and show the errors. For compiling, the syntax is javac space filename dot java. Note it down. I'll make it in big. Okay. Well. So this is our folder and this is our program and this is the command prompt. I will show you something here. So javac space file name is one.java. This is syntax for compiling the program. If you have errors, it will be here. If you don't have errors, the class will be created here. No errors. See, no errors are there. So class file is created. Class file is created. This is 1415 byte. 159 byte is Java file. So this will be done by compiler. This is called Java file is called source code. This is called byte code, and byte code will be executed by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. You will be getting output. For getting the output, syntax is Java space 1. So you will see welcome to Java. Congratulations, you got the output. So I will show you the pic again. See, for execution or output or running the program, syntax is Java space file name. That's it. Java space file name. File name or program name, class name are similar. So this is compilation. This is for saving the program. So I hope I can close this. Well, fastly we will do one more program. Time is running out. So we will open comment. Void. Time is running out, so I am typing fast. Public static void main string args is a array. See, sequence. I am typing in a sequence. First we are int a equals sum 5, b equal to sum 6, and then sum equal to a plus b dot print ln means new line. So here you can put anything. Sum is equal to, so this plus is a concatenation symbol, semicolon here. See, I am typing in a sequence, so not to get confused, right? This is a main block, sum of two numbers main block, and this is of demo block demo class, right? We have to save with the class name, that is demo, D capital, because it's a class. User defined class, I have defined it, I have created it. Java demo Java file is created. Well, now we have to execute ls javax demo.java. Well, demo class is created, see here, and java space demo sum equal 11. Yes, we got it. Now we are going to do the third program that is there in my part 2 video. In my part 2 video, I have explained about oops concept in Java video part 2. See this. In part 2, I have explained in this program all oops concepts, very nicely explained. You watch that video again with earphones and pause it and write the notes. Well, we'll write that code here. Comments are non-executable statements. This is for our use only. Write a J program for oops concepts. See here, I am writing everything capital letters, eye catching, right? import. Don't worry if you commit any errors, that compiler will tell you. Class parent void add int a. This is user defined method, right? Those are parentheses that I have explained in oops part 2 video. You watch it again. See, my keyboard having little bit problem, sorry for that. System first we'll do multiplication, multiplication, concatenation symbol, a into a. There will be no into symbol, so star is for multiplication, right? We'll close here and we'll create one more class, child. Child is also user defined class. Because it's a class, we have to type first letter should be capital, void. This is method overriding different classes, the same name. Here we are doing sum equal to concatenation symbol. Plus is concatenation. Concatenation means joining the two sentences, right? So far we have not typed our main method. Now we are going to do that one. Public static void main string args. Child c equal to new child. This is constructor. I will explain you in my interview question answers. Difference between class, constructor, method, those are similarly pronounced, similarly explained, but so much difference is there. See, this line is for creating an object. C is user defined object, you can mention anything. Child c equal to new child. This one is constructor, same name, same like method, but same name as class name. Child class name, child class. C is object, new is a keyword, right? Keyword I will show you. Keyword k alphabetical order. New mn. See here, 31 new. 31 new is a keyword, right? Well, very good. So we have to save here. One more important point is we have two classes. We have to save with the class name. I told you here, if you have two classes, with which class contain main method. So child has main method. Main method is having in child class. So we have to save with the child class. Very simple, right? child dot java. Right, child dot java is created in our folder. Where is it? Where? Here, child java. Now we will cls java space child dot java. Sorry. JAVA. Error. Very good. We got the errors. We should get more errors actually. Package should does not exist. System. Spelling mistake is there. Here only our program system dot out dot println sum. See here, system. Whenever you do changes, first thing is you have to save it. Then second thing is you have to compile it again. Well, yes, it is compiled means you will get two classes here, parent class and child class, because two classes are there, two created. Well, we will see the output. Here there is scope for getting two outputs actually. Multiplication a into a, we are passing 5 here. 5 passing, message passing. I told you very clearly in part 2 video. You watch it again. Part 2, oops concept Java part 2 video. Part 3 is thread life cycle. Part 4 this is lab practical. Right, you watch it again. Part 2. There is scope for getting two output. One is multiplication. This can be passed to here also. Multiply equal to a into a. A is 5. We are passing. See here I have selected with the line cursor. 5 into 5 means 25. You can get multiply equal to 25, or else we can get sum equal to a plus a. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. But here thing is we will get the 15, sum equal to 15, because we have created object for the child class. The second class object we have created, so we will get the 15. See here, sum equal to 15, right? Very good. So this is our folder having all the programs at one place. We have created the, I told you know, in D drive we are creating because not to delete the programs when we format. JB folder having all the programs at one place. So we can close the window part. These all programs are at one place. See in JP folder, if you are doing daily, we are practicing, all programs will be at one place, so easily identify. Now I'm going to explain some basic things, right? So keywords, I told you these 50 keywords are there, and for that, this after this 50 keywords, 9 data types are included in this. Byte, boolean, these are violet or thick blue color, and packages are not included, even though those are also here. IO, input output, language, util, AWT, abstract window toolkit, text, network enabled technology, swing, applet is a small, SQL structure, query language, etc. There are so many packages are there. Access specifier, these are 4. Access modifier are 8. See, some people say that there will be no access specifier, all are access modifier only. See, textbook to textbook explanation will be different. If it is a foreign author textbook, examples will be foreign examples will be there, and some hard words will be there, and faculty to faculty teaching style will be different, and examples will be different. Net in internet also, website to website explanation will be there. Who will be uploading, according to him the explanation will be changing. But as for now, latest information is there will be no specifier, all are modifier only. 4 and 8 is 12 are modifiers only, but specifier, access modifier. Access will be modifier. If you put public in front of a system, in front of the code, I mentioned public static void main, everybody can access. I will explain you this in later coming up videos very detailedly, very simple and easy. Exceptional handling keywords, try, catch, throw, throws. Finally, in next video I am going to explain this. followed by the lab also followed, and thread life cycle part 3 video also followed. That is part 2 completely. Part 5 video, this is part 4 practical video. In classes we have inbuilt classes: system, S is capital, string, S is capital, exception, input output exception, double, buffer reader, and interfaces same like classes. I will explain what is difference between class and interface constructors, what is difference between final and finally, lang and long. There are so many interview questions are there, very important. One complete video I will doing that, very important. Methods, inbuilt methods. In C we will call it as function. Methods, this is naming convention. I will explain you in my next slide, don't worry. Constants are very few, only one, pi, capital letter. You can pause the video, you can note it down. Variable and objects are user defined, you can write anything, right? Naming convention in Java is a case sensitive, right? These are things. In my next slide I clearly mentioned this. These 6 are terms are in all small letters. See, Java is a case sensitive, means wherever necessary capital letters we have to type capital letters only, wherever necessary small letters we have to type small letters only. Otherwise we will get error, we cannot proceed the program, we cannot get the output, we cannot get the project, we cannot get the software done. Like Windows, WhatsApp, any software cannot be executed, cannot be manufactured. Keywords, data types, packages, access specifiers, modifiers. So access modifier, this 12, and exception handling keyword, this 6, all are small letters, this box. And classes, interfaces, constructors. See here, observe little bit carefully. First word first letter should be capital, second word first letter should be capital, third word first letter should be capital, and so on. No space in between those words. For example, see here my cursor, buffer reader, B capital or capital, there will be no space. That is called syntax rule, that's it. Input output exception, IO exception, IO capital, E capital, because IO is considered as a words, right? We have a big word, array index out of bound exception. This is one bound class, exception class, array A capital, index I capital, out O capital, bound B capital, exception E capital, like third word, fourth word, fifth word. That is one example. Then we have methods, same like interfaces, same like class. Constructor is also same name as class name. The definition I will tell you this later. Method, in method also we have little bit confusion. Method, first word first letter should be small, second word first letter, and third word first letter, and so on should be capital. No space again here also. Here thing is, first println P is small, main M is small, parse int P small, I capital, parse double, get line reader, get small. For example, I am saying one more example, get line reader, G is a small, and get line number, G is small, L is capital, number N is also capital. One more example, just like I told you. So these two are little bit confusing, class and method. Remaining are very easy. Constructors, constant should be all capital letters. Variable and objects are user defined, you can type anything. Constant means generally pi is there. So these two, pause this video and note down clearly. If any mistake or any doubts, any comments are there, call me and WhatsApp me. See, this I told you, 3 billion devices means almost 300 crores of machines are developed by Java. Inbuilt motherboard is developed by Java only, right? That's why Oracle company is hiring that. Well, so this is a syntax for doing programs. Note down this clearly, pass it and note down. Next things, right? Well, see, I'm working so hard behind this. See how I created the posters. See, in DMA I created this DMA machine, right? Hardware parts. There is so much hard work is there behind this. See, this is our videos poster, how to run Java program command step by step completely. This is a musket, Duke musket. Oracle is taken now. This is the Duke icon. NetBeans, this is IDE, this Java coding, this is Prasad, your Prasad coding, right? Java success symbol. Okay, you can see all icons I created and all. Java, see in better relationship also. Actually this is like this. I made it into like this, and this is I made here. See, this is original one. I made it into like this. And the final poster is this one. See how nicely I have arranged it. I am working so much hard behind this. So subscribe my video so that I will work more hard for your better future, and watch my all videos with earphones and note down. Okay, see in my index video you can see these are my index video. I'm going to develop so many videos for your complete personality. See, these are soft skills. I'm going to explain you personality development, communication, time management, mind management, very useful, and computer science, almost all subject I'm going to explain. Interview skills is over, and software testing, this is one platform to enter into software organization, that will also I will explain you. See, this is my interview. Here some people are commented, some people are asking if we have 10th and inter less percentage, what we have to do. Don't worry, in your interview you have to prepare a good answer. So at that time I am having village background, language problem, Telugu medium background, or my father is expired and having health problem. Prepare any good question for that and be sincere. And here in technical interview, if it is teaching side, you will be having demos, classroom teaching demos will be there. Those are the some people asked questions, right? That is there here. Interview. See how to get a job, fast 6 hurdles, very nicely explained. This is the poster for that. I'm working so hard behind this. So subscribe my video for boosting me, so that I will work more hard and I will give you better career. All the best, success for your great future and bright future. Thank you very much for listening to my video. Thank you.